Murder.
Murder. The crime of killing somebody deliberately. For example, he was found guilty of murder.
Muscle.
Muscle. A piece of body tissue that you make tight and relax in order to move a particular part of the body, the tissue that forms the muscles of the body. For example, a calf/neck/thigh muscle. Myth. A story from ancient times, especially one that was told to explain natural events, or to describe the early history of a people, this type of story. For example, ancient Greek myths.
Nail. The thin hard layer covering the outer tip of the fingers or toes. For example, stop biting your nails. Name. A word or words that a particular person, animal, place or thing is known by. For example, what's your name?
Native.
Native. A person who was born in a particular country or area. For example, a native of New York.
Near. A short distance away. For example, his house is very near. Near. A short distance away. For example, his house is very near. Near. A short distance away. For example, his house is very near.
Nearby.
Nearby. Near in position, not far away. For example, her mother lived in a nearby town.
Nearby.
Nearby. Near in position, not far away. For example, her mother lived in a nearby town.
Nearly.
Nearly. Almost, not quite, not completely. For example, the bottle's nearly empty.